Alright, this is my boy Evan's bike. We got the stock Sunday Funday forks, the stock Sunday rims, some shadow little one orange peg, up to the stock headset, the Sunday stem, stock Sunday bars, purple ODI long neck grips, got the stock Sunday Funday EX frame, got the stock cranks, the red Odyssey twisted PC pedals, got the Sunday seat clamp, stock pivotal seat post, the shadow local purple seat, got the stock back rim, and we've got the shadow little one pegs, and we got a shadow 25 tooth sprocket and a red KMC chain.